All right, it's time for the second unboxing for the joint project that I have, where I'm building a Dodge and a Lamborghini. This is the Fujimi Lamborghini Murcielago. I like that polished look they have on the chrome. It's not too shiny. So it's spot on for Lamborghini. Not shiny chrome, but polished, machined. That powertrain is a monster. Alright, see, I'm gonna have to use my liquid cement to put a lot of the body parts on before I even paint. Very good news. I see the side panel, so I can build my own interior tub. I'm not sure when I'm gonna paint the interior yet. I like that engine bay. Nice dash. Here's the rear end. Definitely gonna use the liquid cement on this as well. Get it bonded to the body. Got that sports car chassis. There are not a lot of decals, I'm not surprised, but they are very detailed. Very nice tires. Now, there goes that Lamborghini body. Look at the face of it. This is mean for no reason. All right, let's see what kind of instructions we have. Now, most of these instructions are in Japanese. Some of it is in English. I don't know. On the front of the box, it said that this is for age 10 and older. That's normally a skill level 2 or higher. But this looks a little more advanced than a skill level 2 to me. I'm thinking at least a 3 or higher. Dare I say maybe a skill level 4? All right, we got 23 steps to this Lamborghini, and we should have a Murcielago.